It's quite discouraging, posting every day, 3 times a day, or posting 3 times a week, and you're not getting any positive feedback or positive reaction from people. You end up getting like 2 views or no likes at all. It's not easy. You spend money getting materials for tutorials. You spend time making tutorials too. It's not easy. That is where I am at right now. Like, I mean, look at me. I'm still trying to make a video tutorial that I am not even I don't even know if it's going to get views or likes or things like that, but I just enjoy making videos. I just enjoy, the 1 or 2 people seeing my posts and, getting something from that video. I just enjoy it a lot. I would say I've been posting on social media for like 5 years. Not very consistent though, but I've been posting like a whole lot. Trust me, it's not easy. It's not easy getting the things you need and the tutorials, trying to look for ideas. It's a whole lot, trust me. Like, it's not easy. But if you're doing this posting thing, you just have to have a passion for it. There's no two ways about it. You have to be passionate about it. You have to love it. And that is what I think I have. I have this passion for it. I have this passion for crocheting. And this is my niche. I know that I can, crochet anything I set my mind to. And I know that people would love it. The few people that see it, they love it. So I'm not discouraged. I'm making this video right now as a starting point. Yes, as a starting point to my consistency. To my consistency of posting every day on YouTube. Yes. I don't know how it's going to be. I don't know if I'll be able to do this. Trust me, I do not know if I can do this at all, because I'm still trying to be comfortable on the camera. As you can see, I still have some awkward some awkward movements here and there. I'm still trying to, to be comfortable in it on the camera, to be able to speak. That one there is another problem on its own. So I am making this video as a starting point to my YouTube journey. I've posted a few videos, but this is my starting point. This is something that I have set my mind to. This is something that I have decided to do, and I'm going to see it through. I'm going to try to post every single day. Every single day. Today is what's today's date? Let me see. Today is the 23rd of July 2026. I want to see how far I can go. I'll be posting this video today. I want to see how far I can go. And trust me, I am going to go far. I am going to go far. I am going to go far with this. Okay? I'll be posting this video tomorrow for the tutorial of this I've forgotten the name. Oh god. Of this crunchy, yes, crunchy. I'll be posting the tutorial tomorrow. I'll be done by today, and editing and everything, I'll be posting it tomorrow. So just watch out, guys. Just watch out for me. I'm posting every single day. Whatever I am doing, whether I'm crocheting or not, I'm going to be posting every single day. I have to be consistent. At least I need to be very, very consistent. Like very, very consistent. And please follow me on this journey by subscribing, by sharing, and by liking. Please. I really want to do good. I really do want to do good. So this is my starting point. And this video should also be a reminder to you to also start. You can do it. I know it's not going to be easy, but you can do it too. You can do it. Let's do it together. Let us do it together. Posting every single day. Let's see how far we can take this. Let's see how far we can go. Let's see how far we can be consistent. Okay? People do it. They do. A lot of people do. And they do have to wait. So let's see if we can do this. Oh god. And I need to keep practicing to be comfortable on the camera, because I can be very awkward, very, very awkward on the camera. I don't know why. So I want to try to be consistent and to be able to speak. And also I'll try to start talking like in public, not just in my house or in the car. Talk in public too. So let's see how far we can do. Anyways, thanks for watching my little TED talk. Yes, and follow me on this journey of posting every single day. And I'll see you in our next video. Anyways, bye for now. And please, again, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye again.